Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Robert Canter, with another original Wonka Bar recipe for you just in time for St. Patrick's Day. White chocolate is a lot easier to color, but I don't want to use it in all my recipes, so for this one, we're just using green sprinkles instead. It gives it a little crunch anyway. Now, there is a little Irish cream in this recipe, so it isn't for children. Just a teaspoon, and be very careful when pouring it because we don't want any accidents. Follow these instructions and you'll do just fine. Remember, you can't keep the chocolate in the pot boiler too long or you're going to ruin it. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, click the links in the description below and buy my books.